Hi guys. Okay, so just a bit of preparation for the exam on Wednesday. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky sharing the files that Bentley programs such as StormCAD creates, and so I just wanted to show you what I have in mind for how I'm going to be able to see your work on the exam. So let's say, for example, that we started some new project and we start drawing some elements around. All right. All right, so let's say that I've got some stuff. I'm drawing my network, and so now I'm going to save this file, and I want to put it in an altogether brand new directory. So I'm going to start a new folder on my C drive called 670 exam, and then this is going to be my StormCAD problem files. All right, so when I save that, I'm going to pull up my browser now. Here's that folder that I created. Look, there's several different files, and so one of them is enormous in comparison to the relatively small stuff that I've drawn so far. It's just a database file that's mostly empty. All right, so I don't want you to upload each one of these individually to MU Online. Instead, when you're done with your work, then take this entire folder, and if you right-click on it, then send to compressed zipped folder. Okay, well apparently I can't do that in the root of the C, so it's going to put it on the desktop, and that's fine. So let me find that zip folder that says 670 exam. Here it is. And so then that's the file I want you to upload to MU Online. And if you double click on it, you'll see that inside of that is those three files. But the file itself is much smaller than it otherwise would be if it wasn't zipped. You can see the properties here is that it's only 260 kilobytes, and one of those files was 8 megs. And so it's smaller, but then the main important thing is that in the past when I've done this exam, I'd sometimes have students only giving me this file, and then I wouldn't be able to see their work because everything has to be there. So please zip up the supporting files for the problem on your exam that includes StormCAD. Thank you.